How to add payment button on Wix website. The first thing you want to do once on your Wix editor page, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to tap on the plus in the top left hand corner. Once you have done that, I want you to hover over button. Then from there, you can scroll down and you can see pay buttons right here. So you can select which one of these pay buttons you'd like to use. So you can see pay now, buy now, purchase. You can also see the PayPal buttons right here that you can select from. So let's say for example, I would like to add the buy now button. All you will need to do is simply drag and place the button wherever you would like to add it on the page. So this is a quick example, so I'm just going to drag and place it somewhere random. Let's say for example right here, just for example's sake. So after you have added the button, you are now going to tap on add PayPal info. And from there, you can add your PayPal sign-in information. So you can add your PayPal email address. You can also add what's the product name. So you can add the product that it is related to. And you can also add the price right there. You can also add the currency, as you can see right there. And you can decide whether you like PayPal to open in the current window or a new window, as you can see there. So you can completely edit it by doing that. You can also add animation if you want, so you could tap on animation. So if you like the button to bounce in or glide or so on, you can select any one of these animations. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.